Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install WiseCut from your Windows. So let's get started. First, make sure that the WiseCut is completely closed. You can also check your taskbar and system tray to ensure that the app is not running. Also, make sure to close the web catalog app if it's open. Then launch the web catalog app on your PC. The web catalog app manages all the apps installed through it. In the web catalog, look for the WiseCut in the list of the installed apps. You may see it in the install apps or my app section. Put the cursor above the WiseCut application and a three-dotted icon will be shown. Tap on it. It will show different options. Within the options, click on Uninstall. A confirmation message regarding uninstall will show. Please make sure to follow the on-screen instruction by tapping on the uninstall option. After uninstalling, you can check your documents or downloads folders from leftover files and delete them manually. It is important to know that uninstalling WiseCut does not delete your WiseCut account, but if you reinstall it later, all your project remains in your account. And that's how you can uninstall WiseCut when installed through the web catalog on your Windows. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more WiseCut tutorials.